Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to link PayPal and Payoneer. So the very first thing we need to is to withdraw these PayPal dollars using Payoneer Bank, which is Community Federal Savings Bank. So what will come here will come to we need to attach Payoneer's Community Federal Savings Bank as a bank to this one. It is already attached here. You can see Community Federal Savings Bank, but we need to link a new bank for the tutorial purpose. So we'll come here, link bank account. We should use account type and saving. So when we come to Payoneer provides Community Federal Savings Bank, which can be attached to PayPal as a bank, and withdraw from PayPal to Payoneer is free of charge. Once you use my description link, my link, which is in the description link, that on successfully registering, you earn yourself $25. So we'll come here and we'll be able to come to global payment service. Then we'll be picking the account Community Federal Savings Bank. We'll pick the routing number. Then we'll attach it to PayPal. This is PayPal linking. We are linking a bank account to PayPal. So we'll also be able to pick the account type, and we'll be able to the account number. This is the account number over here. So ensure that this is the account number. So once upon doing that, we'll be able to link the bank. On clicking yes, we'll have linked for a bank account. We'll have linked Community Federal Savings Bank, which is a Payoneer bank, to PayPal. So ensure for you to be able to transfer cash from PayPal to Payoneer for free of charge, and ensure that you use my referral code, which you earn $25 upon. You will earn $25 upon successfully registering. Use the code in the description link. I've attached it. So ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. If you need assistance how to link PayPal and Payoneer, contact me via my official Gmail account, jogukarongo@gmail.com, or in my newest videos. In the description link, you'll find my tutorials where you will find my WhatsApp number where you'll be able to reach me out. Thank you.